Hello beautiful people, it's Gifty, the gift to your hair. Welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. In this video, we're going to be talking about I-tip extensions. These extensions are amazing and is having a big comeback. To begin the process of I-tip extensions, you have to fully wash, detangle, and prep the natural hair, which I'm currently doing. These extensions are more of a long-term kind of extension. So before putting them in, you want to make sure your client hair is fully clean, because if you left the hair dirty, put the extensions in, you're gonna have a lot of problems and you don't want that. So I go in, I shampoo, condition my client's hair. Within the package that I offer for my services, everything is included. So I will wash your hair fully. It's not an extra charge. I do provide the extensions as well and the service. So right now we're just cleansing my client's hair with shampoo, making sure everything is perfectly clean, making sure that's good. Then I go in and I use conditioner to just soften out her hair. Once I put the conditioner in, I also wash that out of her hair fully, and then I'm going to towel dry the hair before proceeding to using any heat on it. I do towel dry the hair. This is my client's natural textures. This extension does not damage your hair. She has very afro kinky hair, but we do straighten it out. So I do use heat protectant on the hair before proceeding to styling. After using heat protectant, the heat protectant is to protect the hair from heat. Always use heat protectant. I'm using the Gifty soft detangling brush, and I'm using my blow dryer on like the highest setting. I'm using the blow dryer on one of the highest setting, or like the second highest setting, and I'm going through and I'm blowing out the hair. The reason why I do this because it makes styling the hair a lot easier if you do all the prep of the natural hair prior to you starting the actual service. If you were to leave her hair in this state, put the I-tip in, and then go over that, that's a lot of work. That's a lot of tension on her natural hair. We don't want that. To get her roots prepared, I do go in with the hot comb to just soften out her roots and make her roots look super nice and flat. Again, I do all this just so that when I put the I-tips in, it is an easy styling process. Okay, now the prepping of her natural hair is sort of done. I'm not going to go in and section out her natural leave out compared to the extensions, putting the extensions in. I do section out the natural leave out. So what I'm doing is I'm carving out the perimeter of her hair, which is like the front, the sides, and then the back. You want to section out because this is where like the natural hair is going to cover the extensions if she were to put it into a ponytail and all that extra stuff. So this is the hair that I'm using. The hair was provided by gifty.org. We use about like 100 grams of extensions in 22 and 24 inches. It is the Yaki Stray. The Yaki Stray texture is a natural blowout texture that mimics like afro texture hair once you actually like blow it out to wear it in a straight form, so it looks just like her hair. Now the process of actually doing the extensions is I have to get these pliers. The pliers helps me lock in the extensions onto the hair. So I'm going to explain to you how the actual extensions work and what are the I-tips. I-tip extensions, also known as micro beads, refer to a type of extensions that are attached to the hair by using silicone beads, also known as the micro beads. So like you see those little tiny beads, those are micro beads. The I-tips will be the extension. So I'm doing I-tip extensions using the silicone beads. The hair strands are then attached to the micro beads in a small group. The stylist, which is me, I'm going to use a plier to attach the beads to the hair, and then I'm going to clamp the pliers onto the beads with the client's natural hair so that everything is attached together and is not falling out. How long does I-tip hair extensions last? Most hair extensions last very long under proper regimen and maintenance. Hair extensions, you have to take care of it. This I-tips will last you about 6 to 8 months to a year, but it is required for you to come in every 2 months at least to get your maintenance. So the maintenance will be re-tightening the beads, washing the hair again, and going over the styling. So again, these extensions are meant to last quite a long time. That's 6 to 8 months, but if you do take care of it, let's say every single month, you can go up to an entire year. If you do your I-tip maintenance every 2 months, you're gonna last 6 to 8 months. Okay, so let's say if I got my I-tip extensions on January 1st, I won't come back into the salon till like, so January is fully over, February, the end of February. I won't come back to the salon to the end of February, right? But if you are a kind of person who mess with your hair a lot, comb it out a lot, and you're going to be washing your hair and if you're going to be washing your hair at home, you need to come back to get your maintenance once a month. If you are a person that's going to leave your hair alone, not do too much with it, just wear your style, you can go about every 2 months. So January 1st, February, March, you come back in for your maintenance. If you get your hair done in March, April, May, June, you come back in for your maintenance. If you touch your hair, do a lot to it, come back every month. The hair can last about 6 to 8 months to a year. Okay, these extensions are very much so reusable. This is 100% human hair. You can reuse it up to many times if you do take care of your I-tip extensions. During the maintenance process, the stylist, which is me, I'm going to tighten the micro beads by sliding it up to the roots of the hair and then reusing the plier to clip it back together. You do have to be careful with this kind of extensions, because if you were to put if you do it wrong and you put the beads too tight to your client roots, you won't be able to do styling. After 6 months, you need to change out the entire beads, as frequently washing, drying weakens the beads itself. So if you plan on washing your hair often at home, you are required at the 6 months mark to come back in so I can fully take it out, clean it up for you, reinstall the entire thing, because that is how damage gets to your natural hair. If you start washing the micro beads at home and you do not come back in for your maintenance, that is where the damage begins. So we don't want that, okay, y'all? And these extensions are beautiful. So roughly the cost of these are about like $500 to $1,000. If you're getting it any less, just know the person is not certified. Like, some people be trying to do for like $300. Again, that person is not certified, because it doesn't make sense. These extensions are supposed to last you about 6 to 8 months. Imagine you getting a wig installment, right? A wig installment is like $250. How can MICROLINKs that is going to last you 6 to 8 months cost you the same price of a wig installment that's going to last you only 2 weeks? That does not make sense. Also, the hair itself, you have to get about like 100 grams to 200 grams. Those run $300. Like, if you're getting actual human hair micro beads or micro links, I-tip extensions, they're gonna run you about $300 for the hair itself. The stylist roughly is gonna charge you like $500 or more for the install. So you're looking around like $750 to $1,000 depending on if you're getting custom color. $300 will be for the extensions, roughly $500 will be for the service. If you did everything as a package, you're going around like $700 to $1,200, and the install lasts you about 6 to 8 months. If you really take care of your hair good, you can go about a year. These extensions are very much so reusable. It gives you the most natural, flawless look ever. You can do ponytails, you can do half up, half downs, you can do side part, middle part. Your styling options are endless, and it looks just like your hair, super natural and beautiful. If you're interested in getting this service done, definitely check out the description box. I have my booking link right there. In the comments section, if you have any questions for me, I will be doing more I-tips and MICROLINKs extensions. So definitely let me know what you guys think about this. Did you like it? Do you not like it? What questions do you have? Also, it does not damage your hair. Like I told you, the only way your hair is going to get damaged if you do not come back in for your maintenance. Thank you so much for watching this video, y'all. I hope you guys have an amazing afternoon or amazing day. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, beautiful people. It's Gifty, the gift to your hair.